Hi there and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create payment link in Square. If you follow along, by the end of this video you will be able to set up one easily. So let's get started. First head over to squareup.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on Home from the left hand side menu. By default, you might not see the online checkout option. To fix this one, click on Edit under Quick Access. Scroll down until you see online checkout and turn it on, and then click Save. Now the online checkout option button should appear. Click on online checkout and you will be taken to a screen that shows payment links and buy buttons. Since we are creating a payment link, select create a link. Now you will be asked what the link is for. Options include collecting a payment, selling an item, donation or tickets. Let's choose collect a payment. For this example, we will say it or Mr. Pig with a price of €100. You can also add a description or upload an image if you want, but for now we will just click create link. Instantly your payment link will be created. You can copy this link and share it anywhere, email, social media or directly with the person who needs to pay you. When they click the link, they will see the payment page with the amount due and they can pay right there. And that's it, you have successfully created a Square payment link. Thanks for watching.